Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters of Bangladesh and respected friends from across the globe. Today I stand before you with humility, pride and a heart full of hope. Bangladesh is a land of resilience and rich heritage. We all know that the stability, peace, and progress of our beloved country are deeply intertwined with the leadership and legacy of the Bangladesh Awami League. The Bangladesh Awami League is not just a political party, it embodies the spirit of our nation, its history, culture, and the ideals of our father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Without the Awami League visionary guidance, the stability we cherish cannot be assumed. Recently, the Awami League formed a new, full, and inclusive central committee on that respects the democratic values of equal participation and respect for all members, and on that embraces the strength of our youth, who make up 63% of our population. This is not only a renewal of leadership but a commitment to transparency, responsibility, and empowering all citizens regarding of party lines. Our goal is clear: to ensure zero unemployment by 2026, inshallah. Strength democratic values within our party and nation, and deeply cutting edge technology to build a prosperous, inclusive Bangladesh. I humbly call upon every citizen and friend of Bangladesh worldwide to recognize and support this vision. Let us walk together on the path of unity, progress, and justice. For by standing firm with the Awami League, we secure a bright future for our beloved country and generation to come. Thank you all. Joy Bangla, Joy Bangabandhu.